So how are you all? And I think you would have seen that I went to the midwife appointment, and yeah, I've got laundry that I need to put away there. And it's currently 9:30, and guess what arrived? A fetal Doppler and ultrasound gel. This is something that only a panicky mommy would do, or a healthcare professional like myself. So again, the reason why I got this, guys, was because I had a scare a couple of weeks back, whereby I didn't feel baby move for more than 24 hours. And at that point I started contacting all my mommy's friends, and they were like, no babes, you need to go to the hospital. They said do some exercises, see if the baby moves, but literally baby wasn't moving. So eventually I ended up waking up in the middle of the night and impromptu just, you know, dressing up and going to the hospital because I was just so scared. And luckily, when I got to the hospital, I was seen in maternity triage, and they triaged me and they kept me on the monitor using the bands, the blue and pink bands on my belly, and they just monitored baby heart rate. And at first they were finding it hard to find it, to be honest, and then eventually they found it, and baby was fine. The only thing I could think of is I had garlic mozzarella pizza, and I don't know if that made the baby really sleepy, but in 2 occasions now that I've had that, I've noticed that they somehow reduce movement. So I'm gonna avoid having that type of food if it's gonna cause my baby not to move, because it makes you panic, especially when you're at this stage where the baby should be moving at least every couple of hours, max every 4 hours. So yeah, baby tends to be active really in the evening. And I'll be honest, I've had 2 scares so far, so that last one was the massive like scare that got me really, you know, panicky, because I'm like, okay, I'm at X weeks, and ideally this baby should be moving regardless. So yeah, so I literally contacted one of my friends, and she was like, babe, go and buy a fetal Doppler. And I know the controversy. A lot of people say, you know, don't buy it, it's not accurate, blah 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 blah, because it's not really the medical grade Doppler. But I am happy to take the chance because I'm medically trained. So you know, so I'm actually going to attempt to use it though, because this is gonna be so funny. Let me open it and show you guys. This is things that you do, honestly, being a new mom, first time mom. It does not matter, honestly, it doesn't matter what you do as a profession. When you're a first time mom, you're gonna be scared regardless, you know. So even the fact that I worked in the medical field didn't console me. But yeah, so there you go. This is what it looks like. Ooh, this is what it looks like. I know these people will not put batteries. Let me look for batteries. Can they ever? I don't understand. Batteries are £1 for a pack of something. Can you not include complimentary batteries? I'm just gonna get some batteries. In at the back. And then I'm gonna close. So oddly enough, today I went to see the midwife, and I'm currently 29 weeks actually. So I thought, you know what, because I've heard what the baby's heart rate was, it was about 140. Yeah, so I'm confident of trying this and seeing whether it works, because even when I go to the midwife, she uses something similar. I'll definitely say medical grade, not this cheap version. This was only like 30 something pounds, and the gel was like £7 or something. So this is an ultrasound gel. Okay, so hopefully it works. Let's see, guys. It works. It works. So I should hear the loud, and it should tell you the heart rate on here. So this is interesting. Let me lower this. Hope you guys can see This is my bumpy. We're gonna put some gel. Actually, let me get some tissue because this is gonna get messy. Get some tissue at hand. So this is what it looks like, guys. I'm about to do something crazy. And then I'm gonna, because I'll be honest, there's a way the midwife has focus on my baby, but it's so cute. There's a way the midwife will be assessing and everything, yeah. So what I'm gonna try and do is lie down and try to figure out what baby's heart rate is. Okay, so bear with me. So let's try and put this here. I can't assess, but I believe baby is around this area. So what I'm going to do is put some gel on here. Just want to be generous. That is the heartbeat, guys. We got it. That was really nice. It takes a bit of fiddling, but eventually if you understand the concept of where baby's heartbeat should be, it makes sense. And again, this is just for those days where I'm thinking, hey babes, why are you not moving? We're just gonna fiddle about with my new best friend, a Doppler. Again, please, they do not recommend to purchase it if you're someone that's gonna panic, because it does take a while to find the heartbeat. Even sometimes I've been to the midwife and they struggle to find the heartbeat, especially in those early stages. To find the heartbeat is so hard. But normally the baby's heartbeat should be 2 times your heartbeat. So we know that it should be ranging, for me in my case, between 140 and above. Anything lower, there could be a problem. But sometimes it's also because you haven't really caught the heartbeat of the baby properly, and that's why this could be giving you the wrong reading. And yeah guys, that's it. So I'm so happy, and see you in my next one. If you enjoyed this video, please share, like and subscribe. Okay, bye.
Next.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My lips are so dry. Whew. So what have we got today in plan? Basically, I want to sort of get started on the baby's nursery. Well, I say this, yeah, so what I've done is basically gone to IKEA to get some storage, sort of like boxes to place in the famous IKEA mom drawers. So I've got the one that's got a set of 4. I'm just gonna have to clean it out. Actually, I'm gonna show you. So yeah, that's my IKEA mom, and we want to basically use this as baby's clothing. And then of course, as she sizes as she sizes up, we'll then eliminate whatever like baby grows are there. So my plan is to make the first drawer the essential drawer, meaning that there's gonna be baby cream, nappies and all of that. Then the second drawer is gonna be mostly baby's sleeping suits that she's gonna use, and then the third drawer, top and bottoms, and then the last drawer is gonna be towels and blanket. But I'm not too fussed about the towels and blanket because as I might have shown before, we have an IKEA day bed. This turns into a double but also has storage, so these are also going to be very handy storage to use. I've also bought a box to put at the top there, a black box, which I need to figure out whether it will fit there, because if it does then that's great, but I'm looking at it and it seems that that space is a bit too tight. That space there is a bit too tight, so I'm not sure if the box, which is this one. Then what else did I get from IKEA? I got 2 frames. This is a 30 to 40. I've actually purchased 3 scriptures that I want to have in baby's room that will be placed on this back wall here where the daybed is. And yeah, I'll be using some command strips. So actually you only see 2. That's because I'm gonna have one, actually let me do it like that, one of these here, one over there, and then have a nice big gold frame in the middle, because baby girl's cot is gold. So you know, we're about doing cute stuff. There are a few things that are going to leave this room, which is going to be this situation here. Bae needs to find somewhere else. And then this situation here. I'm not sure whether I'm going to keep it. I'm still deciding. I really want a rocking chair, but like not them fancy rocking chair, like a very simple basic rocking chair, which I did put on my baby registry. So if someone gets it, that'll be great. And I would want to have the rocking chair on that side. But I'm also thinking of having it on this side, because the baby cot, sorry guys, the baby cot is only gonna take X amount of space, and actually this will go over here. So realistically there's gonna be some sort of space in between, but I don't want to make it too crowded either. I've ordered baby's carpet, which is gonna come anytime soon. And I also got some plants. I wasn't sure what would go with the vibe of the room. I thought to actually mix this up, and I just want it maybe coming down off that area there. The reason why I want it from there is because it just adds a bit of our room to the room, you get what I mean, with the cot being on this side. And we're gonna have baby's name on this side, but again, I still need to go to Etsy to actually purchase that. I've actually emailed one of the sellers, to ask them to send me sort of like a rough sketch of what it's going to look like. Actually, sorry, you're talking to the wall. So I emailed one of the sellers on Etsy to you know, to send me a sketch of what the name is gonna look like graphically. I'm very picky with my fonts. However, I don't know why they're just being so funny. Like, he said I'm gonna send it, and then it's been literally 10 days now and he hasn't sent anything. So I'm gonna try and see if I can get someone else, because I ain't got time to be wasting, and it's already February now, and I really want to get this done. I'm starting to feel really heavy, and because I'm currently on my 29th week, so I'm really starting to feel heavy, feeling just like too much, you know. And my friends have told me, you know, it's only going to get worse from here. You're going to start having proper shortness of breath. So I'm like, let me do these things now while I'm at it. And then yeah, something exciting is we got baby's high chair. I was very picky on the high chair I wanted, and yeah, so we got baby's high chair. I was gonna put it on the registry, but I'll speak about maybe in future why I bought the baby high chair myself, and saved my friends and family a few money, because I'm all about saving. Why should I spend full price when I can get something half the price? You get what I mean? So yeah, the gist is that I got it half the price. But eventually when I talk about the chair, we'll go into details, and it's brand new. That was my happiness. Brand new. Anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna start you know, sort of arranging and doing my thing. I'm gonna clean a bit, well, not a bit. I need to clean the wardrobe, put the storage boxes, just so that I have an idea, and probably start putting some baby clothes on there. And yeah.